Okay, letter C na ako. A, attitude. B, belief. Letter C, commitment. And ang pinakamagandang definition ng commitment, mga kaibigan, is napakalaki ng pagkakaiba. There's a big difference between interest and commitment. Ibig sabihin, may pagkakaiba yung interesado lang dun sa tunay na committed. When you're interested in doing something, you do it only when it is convenient. Sabi nga nila, commitment starts when convenience stops. Alright, kailangan hindi ka magiging successful dito yung tipong marami kang kondisyon. When you want to become successful, mga kaibigan, unconditional dapat. Kung yung weather pangit o hindi, gagawin mo pa rin yung business. Nahihirapan ka, marami kang rejection, gagawin mo pa rin. Hindi lang kung kailan convenient para sa'yo. Kaya nga sabi, when you're committed to something, wala kang excuse. Result lang ang gusto mo. So, lagi kong kinukwento to nung live pa tayong nagpipresent. Ang commitment nyo dapat dito, whatever it takes. Hindi kayo hinto hanggat di ka nagiging successful. Another thing, okay,